Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create viral Instagram Reels. So if you want to create Instagram Reels like this with 3 more million likes, then all you need to do is to create an account on Canva. So just go to Canva, sign up and create an account, go to create a design, go to the search icon and then look for Instagram Reels, or let's just say Instagram. It will show you different types of what kind of Instagram posts you want to use here. So for example, if you post Instagram story, you just have to click that one. But since it's Reels, so you have to choose Reels. Now here on the sign section, you will see different types of templates that you can choose. So if you want to look for something specifically, just type and then it will show you different templates for that or related to that topic or keyword. So I'm going to choose this one right here. Now, we will be asking a help from ChatGPT to generate famous lines or quotations, for example, about love, about friendship. You can just basically go create an account in ChatGPT and search for that. So how are you going to do that? Again, just go to ChatGPT and then ask for famous lines or quotes for friendship or about relationships, something like that. Everything is up to you. Then ChatGPT will show you lists of famous lines or famous quotes, and all you have to do is to simply copy and paste it to Canva. So choose which one is the best for you. Just drag, right click, copy, go back to Canva, paste, and also you need to copy the author or include the author right here. Now, if you want to change the font, just tap this one right here and then choose the specific font that you want to use. There are tons of fonts here to choose in Canva, so all you have to do is to select that. Also, same thing with the author, you have to copy and then paste, and you can also change the font if you want to. You can add effects, lift, outline, everything is up to you. You can also change the size or drag it anywhere. And basically, that's it. So we will be also copying the name of the author. To do that, you have to go back to ChatGPT, copy the author's name, and you can copy and paste this one right here. We're going to add the name of the author. So go back, copy, and then paste it to the second part. And then you can choose the font and then drag it anywhere or below the quotes right here. So basically this is what it looks like. You have to drag this from the very start to the end, and this is the result. Now you can also add more like stickers. You can even change the background video if you want. You can extend this or you can add another design if you want to. So basically, that's it. Now, what you're going to do next, if this one is ready or if you're okay with this, then all you have to do is tap on share and then download. Now, you can also add music or background, or you can add music from Instagram, or you can add music from Canva. So just go to audio and then search for the specific background music that you want. But if you want to make your video viral, I suggest to use from any of the songs or music from Instagram, especially viral audios and music. But if you want to add from Canva, it's also okay. So just add it right here, or you can use CapCut music if you want. Then after that, tap on download. Make sure it's MP4, download, and then yeah, that's it. You can go to Instagram and then you can upload this one with the right caption, music, and hashtag. Now, if you want to create another one, or if you want to make your video longer, like 60 seconds for Reels, you can just basically do that. You just have to look for that specific video right here that reaches 60 seconds. And then you can change the background if you want. Now, again, same thing as ChatGPT for any famous lines and quotations and then paste. So, for example, you will be making videos for friendship. You can go to Elements, look for friendship, search for that specific video right here that you want. For example, this one right here. This one is only 26 seconds. It's okay. And then go to text, look for a specific text or font that you want. Go to ChatGPT, search for any friendship quotations, copy, go back to Canva, and then paste. Now you can change the font color if you want, font size, and you can add effects. So let me change or resize this. And then I'm going to change the font color. Just tap on the font color right here. If you think that it's not really visible, then you can place it anywhere. So let me add some effects, and then I'm going to drag this to the down part of the video. So everything is up to you. Now it's the same thing with the author. You can copy and then paste it right here. So I'm going to change the font color into white to make it visible. Copy the author's name, go back, go to text, and then paste the author's name, drag it below right here. You can change the font style if you want. And basically that's it. You can change also the background video anytime. So you can add elements, you can add stickers. For example, if you want another sticker to add right here, for example, if you want to add sunrise and if you want to add your name, this one serve as a watermark. So basically just drag again to the video and then add text like add your name, and then after that, that's it. You can now tap on the share icon above and then look for MP4. After that, you can download and then post this to your Instagram with the right caption, title, sound, music, and hashtag. And basically, that's how easy it is to create a viral Instagram Reels. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.